So our question is a uniform L-shaped rod, each of side A, is held as shown in figure. The angle theta such that rod remains stable will be. So we have been given this figure. We need to find what will be that angle in which that rod will become stable. So so we will see the center of mass acting in this figure. So here this A will become here A by 2 A A by 2. Oh, so it will become 8 by A by 2. We will write it properly, and then so we will also see that force is acting upwards or downwards. So we can see we can make out it is acting downwards. So we will see this distance now, that how much it will be. So this was A by 2 when center of mass acted on it. This is our theta, already we know, and the force is acting downward, so it is A sine theta. So we can now easily find out that distance, what it will be. If it is A sine theta, so the distance will become A by 2 sine theta for this one. Here we have mg as force that is acting downward. So now let us assume that this is our first rod and this is our second rod. Now force or torque due to one, like torque about O, it will be it will be mg A by mg A by 2 mg A by 2 sine theta.
और सेकेंड वाले कर लिए टॉपिक.
So now I have drawn first the second rod. So here we have supposed that this mg, obviously it will act downwards, and now we will see the projection from M to P and from M to N. So for M to P, it will be A by 2 cos theta, A by 2 cos theta, and for Mn we will have A by 2. We can do this similarly. It is same, but sine theta difference is here. A by 2 sine theta. So now we can see what we have as a np as value, because we have theta here, so we will see the projection of this also. So it will be nothing but A by 2 cos theta minus A by 2 minus A sine theta. A by 2 cos theta minus A A sine theta. So now we have our equation as this one. So now we will see the torque of 2 at point O. So it will be nothing but mg A by 2 cos theta minus A sine theta are this equation as an NP. So we will equate it. So after we equate it, we will find that we can cancel the those some values such as mg A by 2, A sine theta, A and all. So at last what we will get is, after cancellation and all, we will find that after equating this equation with mga by 2 cos theta and a by 2 sin theta, we will at last we will get the value 3 sin theta by 2 equal to cos theta by 2. So here also 2 will get cancelled from the denominator, cos theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Now it will be tan theta equal to 1 by 3. So our theta will be nothing but tan inverse theta will be tan inverse 1 by 3 will be our final answer. So our answer is 2. Second option, it's not given here, it's misprint. So we can make out with this one that our answer is 2. Thank you.